Dear parents, I want you to begin to pay very close attention to your male children. I know as parents, it's very easy for you to say, leave am, after all, na boy. After all, na boy. That boy will end up becoming people's father. That boy will end up becoming the leader of organizations. So take care of your male children as much as you pay attention to the female children. Yes, I know there are lots of male children today who do not have a father figure to look up to because of broken marriages and the era of single parenting. But please ensure that your children are inculcated values that makes a man a man. Now, these children, especially the male children, I'm paying very close attention to male children because parents are becoming very lazy. They say, leave him. Abeg, leave him, na boy. He go carry belle. That boy is going to be a nuisance to the society. And that boy is going to be somebody's husband as well. And perhaps that boy will show you, the parent, shege. Because you think you're doing somebody, you don't know you're doing yourself. Whatsoever you plant into your children will come back to you. These same children will be the ones to return your corpse back to your village, where they cannot even speak your language. These same children you are raising are the ones who will probably end up in jail. And all that savings and future you are trying to create for them, you have to spend it on things you could have avoided if you had trained them up properly. I am a grown man with family, but I still have brothers because my parents are not there anymore. I still have siblings who can call me to order. I've always had. There are hairstyles I would have loved to keep as a younger person, but my father will kick against it. I lost my mother over 26 years ago. Alright? But I still remember, I was barely in JSS1, but I still remember instructions from my mother because my mother doesn't believe that this one is a male child, this one is a female child. Whether you are a male child or female child, the responsibilities and tasks that you should do at home, you will do them. Those have turned out to be the life skills that are keeping me afloat today. There is no task a woman can fulfill that I cannot fulfill adequately. That is the type of mindset and upbringing you will put into your male children so that you can raise responsible fathers for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below. Bye-bye.
Et loin.